Hey everybody, this is instructions on how to download and process the microwave induced plasma experiment that we did with the vitamin tablets. So we want to start with Canvas, and we will go to Files and Lab and MIP. And we're going to download this file here. So we'll go over here, and we'll click download, and then we'll download it here, click save, etc. Right? And then we're going to open, from that point then we're going to go to the data. You can go Tuesday, and I'll take these data from Brandon and Juan Carlos as an example here. And there's not a whole lot at the beginning of this file, but then we start to see some data here. Here's a plot with, this is iron at 371 nanometers, and here are the intensity and concentration data. So let me zoom in on them as much as I can. And what we're going to do is we will, one by one, we'll take these numbers and copy them over to the MIP. This is what you downloaded from Canvas, and I just downloaded it and opened it here, and it has, for example, this calibration tab, and this is 371, so we can go ahead and begin replacing these. That was 5, and then I'll go back. Control C. There's 10. Control V. And then we're going to go up and we'll get this last one, which is 15. Right. And then lastly, we'll get our sample, our unspiked sample here. Control C, come back over here, Control V that in there. And you see now this straightens up rather nicely. We can copy just the we'll copy that, and then I'm going to paste the formats here. Paste special formatting. There we go. So I didn't change any numbers, I just changed the format. So this all works out, and this is all we needed to do because these numbers are all the same. This is the the result is the negative of this value, 11.68 plus or minus 0.4. There's 2 degrees of freedom, so T-table is, or 3 degrees of freedom, so T-table is 4.3. Oh, there's 2 degrees of freedom. And then the T-calibrated is 18.6. And T-calibrated uses the amount Fe.ex on mg. So expected here is equals Fe.ex.mg. We're expecting 8, and we found 11, right? So that's significantly more than expectation, and that's a significant difference, right? So that's one thing we can do here. Then another thing we can do here is, well, here's another wavelength. We can put the other wavelength data in here, right? And then the statistic should just fall out of there. So do this for all the data that you collected, right? And so you should have a number of additional tabs. If you need to make another tab, you can add it here, you know. And probably we want to, instead of calling this calibre, we'll call this FE1, and then this is also iron.